nanotechdata.com proudly presents Fix You Up app. Problem: we have a leaking tap. Water is escaping from the tap everywhere. Solution: call an experienced qualified plumber using our app, Fix You Up. The experienced plumber arrives, turns off the water supply, inserts receptacle under the sink to catch any excessive water, very important, installs a brand new shiny sparkly tap. Most importantly, check that it works properly with zero leakage. Job well done! Thank you very much, Fix You Up app. We are very happy.